Good morning students. Today in this video I'll teach you chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is Clothes We Wear. Now let's begin. We all wear different types of clothes. We all wear different types of clothes. Wherever we go, we wear different types of clothes. In school, we wear uniform. When we are at home, we wear other clothes. When we go out, we wear new clothes. So, at different places, we wear different types of clothes. In different seasons, we wear different types of clothes. Like in summer season, we wear cotton clothes. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes. And in rainy season, we use raincoats, umbrellas or gumboots. So, at different places or different seasons, we wear different kinds of clothes. Clothes cover our body and also protect us from heat, cold and rain. We wear clothes to cover our body. It covers our body and it also protects us from heat, cold and rain. They make us look smart, and when we wear good clothes, nice clothes, they make us look smart. हम अच्छे दिखते हैं जब भी हम अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं या नए कपड़े पहनते हैं. जब हम स्कूल आते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं, तो हम स्टूडेंट्स दिखते हैं. वैसे कहीं घूमने जाते हैं, नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, तो हम अच्छे दिखते हैं. सो दे मेक अस लुक स्मार्ट. हमें अच्छा दिखाते हैं क्लोथ्स. क्लोथ्स भी वेयर आर मेड ऑफ फाइबर्स. अब क्लोथ्स किसके बने होते हैं? फाइबर्स. दे आर मेड ऑफ फाइबर्स. देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ fibers, man-made fibers and natural fibers. Now let us study about natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers that we get from plants or animals. Fibers which we get from plants and animals. जो fibers हमें plants, animals दोनों से मिलते हैं, they are called natural fibers. Some natural fibers are jute, cotton, wool and silk. These are natural fibers. We get cotton and jute from plants and are called plant fibers. Cotton and jute हमें किससे मिलते हैं? We get from plants, so they are called plant fibers. We wear cotton clothes in summer. All of you wear cotton clothes in summer season. These clothes are made from cotton fibers. Cotton clothes are made from cotton fibers. We also use bags made from jute and jute sacks to keep things. जूट से हम जूट सैक्स भी बनाते हैं, जो बोरे होते हैं ब्राउन कलर के, and we used to keep things in it. उसमें चीजें रखते हैं. Even ropes made from jute are used by us. You see ropes, brown color की रस्सियाँ जो होती हैं, they are also made up of jute and they are also used by us. We get jute fiber from jute plant and we get jute from jute plant. We get wool and silk from animals and these are called animal fibers. We get wool and silk from animals. हमें animals से मिलते हैं wool and silk. So they are called animal fibers. Wool fibers are used to make woolen clothes like sweaters and mufflers. Wool fibers are used in making sweaters and mufflers, and all the woolen clothes we wear in winter season are made up of wool. We get wool fiber from sheep and goat. Wool हमें किससे मिलते हैं? From sheep and goat. We also wear clothes made of silk in winter. We wear silk clothes also in winter. We get silk from silkworm. It's an insect. We get silk from that insect that is called silkworm. We get silk fiber from an insect called silkworm. It's an insect and from that we get silk. Man-made fibers are those fibers that are artificially made by man. Now what is man-made fibers? Fibers that are artificially made by man, जो man बनाते हैं. Some examples of man-made fibers are nylon, rayon and polyester. Nylon, rayon and polyester, they are examples of man-made fibers. Seasons and clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Everybody knows we wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. हमें गर्म रखते हैं. They keep us warm. It is very hot in summer season. So we wear light colored clothes, cotton clothes. It is very hot in summer, so we wear light colored clothes. हल्के कपड़े पहनते हैं. Why? Because it absorbs our sweat. हमारे पसीने को सोखता है and keep us cool. हमें ठंडा रखता है. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plant and we get cotton from cotton plant. During rainy season, we wear raincoats and gumboots. When we go out in the rain, in rainy season, we wear raincoats and gumboots. Whenever it is raining outside, we wear raincoats and gumboots. We also carry umbrella with us. We use umbrella also in rainy season. These clothes are waterproof. Waterproof. Raincoats, gumboots, umbrellas are waterproof. गीले नहीं होते. So they protect us from rain. वो हमें rain से protect करते हैं. Uniforms. Children wear specific dresses when they go to school. Such dresses are called uniforms. You all wear specific dress when you go to school, and what is that called? Uniform. सारे बच्चे जो स्कूल जाते थे वे एक ही तरीके की ड्रेस पहनते हैं. That is called uniform. वो हमारी यूनिफॉर्म होती है. Some adults also wear special uniform. Some adults also wear means बड़े लोग भी कुछ uniforms पहनते हैं. Their uniforms are designed to suit the kind of job they do, and their uniform depends upon the job they do. जिस तरह का वो काम करते हैं उसके according वो अपनी uniform पहनते हैं. जैसे see doctor they wear white color coat. Policeman they wear khadi clothes. Firemen they wear brown color clothes. Lawyer they wear black color coat. So all the different adults doing different jobs, they wear their uniforms accordingly. Clothes and countries. People living in very cold regions like Antarctica wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. अब people who live in cold regions like Antarctica. Antarctica is a country and it is very cold in Antarctica. So those who live there, they wear heavy woolen clothes. खूब भारी या खूब ज़्यादा woolen clothes पहनते हैं. Why? Because it keeps them warm. उनको गर्म रखता है. People living in hot places like Arab countries wear loose cotton robes. अब जहाँ बहुत गर्मी है at hot places, people wear cotton robes. लंबे लंबे कॉटन के robes पहनते हैं. These robes protect them from dust and also absorb sweat. And these robes, it protect them from dust and it also absorbs sweat. पसीना भी सोखता है. Actors and dancers wear special clothes called costume. And whenever you see any actor or dancer, they wear different colorful and special type of clothes which is called their costumes. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Costumes. Taking care of clothes. Now how should we take care of our clothes? We should keep our clothes clean. All of you know we should wear clean clothes. We should regularly wash our clothes and iron them. We should wash our clothes and we should iron them. Iron them means press करना चाहिए. We should wash our clothes in gentle detergent and dry them under the sun. बहुत ही gentle detergent में we should wash them under gentle means जो बहुत harsh ना हो, जिससे कपड़े जल्दी फटे नहीं, जिसका color fade ना हो. So we should wash them in gentle detergent and we should dry them under the sun. Some clothes like silks and woolens need to be dry clean. Now silks and woolens they should go for dry cleaning. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves with our clothes as these protect them from insects. We should keep naphthalene balls or neem leaves to protect our clothes from insects. उस clothes पे insect ना लगे इसलिए we should keep naphthalene balls and neem leaves or neem leaves. Now that's all for today. Your homework is draw different types of clothes we wear in rainy season, summer season and winter season. I repeat, draw different types of clothes we wear in rainy season, winter season and summer season. So we'll continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home.